Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com and then search in right hand side and then enter your model number of your motherboard B860 DS3H WIFI6E, then hit enter. And then click to product and click to title of the page. Then click to support. And select operating system Windows 10, 11. So install any, but installation process same. Bluetooth, you can see this Intel Bluetooth driver. Click to download. It will start automatically downloading. Then click to yes. So this is installing Bluetooth driver. It is close and then automatic close. This is installed.